In this video, I unbox my warranty replacement phone for the iPhone 14 Pro Max. The original phone had a focus issue with the lens. This is the new phone. Enjoy the video. And I'm gonna open it for you. This is the box it comes in. It had a label on it, but I took that off because so you can't see my address. Let me open it up. Alright, once you open it, there's some paperwork. Notice to California consumers, preparing device for shipping. It kind of just tells you what to do as far as how to send it back, probably, because I got to send the old one in. See how it's out of focus up there? This is the camera you're looking at is the camera I'm returning, or the camera I'm filming with is the camera I'm returning, because it like doesn't focus well. Like, see that? It's all out of focus. And with pictures, it's even worse. It like won't focus on pictures at all. But anyway, hopefully this is clear enough so you can see. So it doesn't come with. It's not the standard box that comes when you get a new phone. It's just the phone itself. They say keep your accessories from when you got the original phone. So it's just the phone itself. Alright, and here's how it looks when you open it. I have the 14 Pro Max, 1 terabyte. 1 terabyte. And the color is the black, I think. Let me look up. I can't remember what the color is called. Space black is the color. Space black. It's got a nice etching there. They are SIM-free now. The iPhones are SIM-free. Or they're eSIM, I should say. So there's no SIM card. But yeah, she's pretty. Pretty. Of course, it goes right in a case as soon as I get it. But yeah, look at those lenses. Okay, here's the cover coming off. The cover off. And it does have the dynamic island because this is the 14 Pro Max. Here's what the dynamic island looks like. Google it to see what it does. I didn't notice this on the current one I have, but that is a speaker, I think. That little, see that? Like a small little opening up there. I noticed the sound is freaking amazing on this phone, the 14 Pro Max. I love everything about this phone except for the lens issue, of course, but yeah, I didn't notice that until just now. The little microphone up there, I think that's what it is.
Go out to help about that show for me. You ain't the bed when no one else is up.
But yeah, I freaking love this phone.
You need some help from me. But mama, you ain't even helping yourself. Go out to help prepare the show for me. You in the bed when no one else is around. I thought that you would need some help from me, but mama, you ain't even helping yourself.
Alright, let's turn her on. Sorry about all the reflections. Just move so you can see it better. You see, there's the dynamic island there. Alright, and there you have it. That's the 14 Pro Max.